Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram Reels not showing. I will show you how to fix it in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. As you can see, I have Reels here on my iPhone, but I didn't have it for a while. I want to make a lot of videos about them. Last year, I couldn't figure it out, but here's what you can do to fix it. But before we start, make sure you give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know that. So what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the latest update of Instagram. But before we proceed with that, we want to clear the cache. So you want to go onto your settings, go over, if you're on an Android device, go to apps and then find Instagram. On an iPhone, you click on general, go to iPhone storage, it's the third category, and from there you want to find Instagram. It should be somewhere at the top. Click on it, make sure you offload the app, which will basically reset all the cache. As you can see, I have a bunch of documents and data. It's at 1 gigabyte, now it dropped to 600 megabytes, but that's 4 times the size of the app, which is 147 megabytes. So you want to click there, offload the app, and then reinstall it again. And then what you want to do is go on the App Store or the Google Play Store on an Android device, click on it, hit search, and type Instagram. So this will show you whether or not you have the latest version of Instagram installed. If you have an update option here, update it. If you have an open option, you are all good. So if this still doesn't work, here is what you can do. If you still don't have Reels, something that works for a lot of people is going on the App Store and just downloading a VPN. And I'll tell you why. And there's free VPNs. I've used this one. It's free. For Instagram Music, I have a video on that with like 300k views. It fixed that issue. Here it is, this video, my most viewed video. So a VPN basically means that update Instagram doesn't have Reels in your area right now, but when you switch your area to another location, for example, the United States, Canada, or Australia, chances are you have, it works for a lot of people. Sometimes you gotta reinstall the app, but chances are it will work for you after that. And if this still doesn't work, what you can do is go on Instagram, click on your profile, click on the 3 dashes at the top right corner, go to settings. From there, you want to go down to help. And here you have 4 categories: report a problem, help center, support requests, privacy, and security help. You want to click on report a problem. Then select the second option, something isn't working. And then you want to explain that your Instagram Reels, my Instagram Reels aren't showing up. And then you can upload a screenshot and let them know. So this has helped a lot of people. If a lot of people from the same country do submit a ticket like this, this will incentivize Instagram to have Reels for your region. And if this video helped you out, give me a like, subscribe if you are new. I try to reply to every comment that I get, and it's not very easy. So make sure you comment if you have questions, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.